Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you 3 different methods to prevent Windows 11 from locking itself. So the first thing you want to do is go to the desktop, or you could press Windows plus the D key. Right click on a blank area like this, click on Personalize. And when you're here, go to Lock Screen. Scroll down to Screensaver Options, and you can click on Never. So you want to uncheck this on Resume, Display Log on Screen. Keep this as it is, hit Apply, and hit OK. And what you also want to do is disable the sign in requirement. So what you want to do from here is go to Settings, or the Windows key plus I. Let's type in Settings. Sorry, Setting. You want to go from here to Accounts on the left hand side, scroll down until you find Sign in Options. Right here. You want to scroll down here, and right here, if you've been away when should Windows require you to sign in again, you want to click this to Never. And then you want to say Exit and save it like that. And you also want to change the sleep settings. So you want to open Settings again. This time you want to go to Power and Battery. System power mode. And on battery, I don't have it here, but you want this to be basically set this to Never and set the sleep to Never. And once you do that, your computer should not lock itself whenever the screensaver deactivates. If this helped you, I'll leave the video a like. If it didn't help you, then leave the video a comment and let me know what the problem is.